Better today than you were yesterday. Better tomorrow than you were today. You've heard this plenty throughout your time here at Fort Recovery. Well, what does that mean? It means that we hope you grow each and every day you're here. One of those ways, academically. How do we measure if you've grown academically? State testing. Begins tomorrow, and I know you're all so excited for that. But I just want to go through a few things with you before tomorrow comes to make sure you are well prepared for those state tests. So first of all, tonight, every night before testing, make sure you get plenty of sleep. Get that good 8 hours of sleep, and then tomorrow morning, have yourselves a good breakfast. It's a great time to con your parents into making you a good hot breakfast, because having that before you come to school gets your brain woken up and ready for the day. So good sleep, good breakfast. Be ready for tomorrow and each day of testing. So testing tomorrow on Thursday, testing Friday, and those two are the ELA test. On Monday, just the 8th graders will be testing on the science. And then on Tuesday and Wednesday next week, we will do the math test. So Thursday and Friday this week. Tomorrow and Friday, everyone is going to report to their testing group right at the beginning of the school day. So do not go to first period. 8th graders that normally go to the high school, do not go to the high school tomorrow and Friday. You're going to come straight here, report right to your testing group. Monday, same thing. 8th graders report right to your testing group. Next Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll do the math test. We're not going to begin that until about 9:45. So you'll go to your normal first period class next Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll begin testing about 9:45. But each of the days, we should have most of this test, if not all of it, done before you go to lunch. A few other things. Every day of testing, make sure you have your Chromebook fully charged. Bring it to school here fully charged, ready to go. Bring a bottle of water with you, full ready to go for those testing days. Bring some pencils with you as well. Make sure you are ready for those tests. Other thing, when you are finished testing each day, you are not allowed to use your Chromebook until everybody in your room is done testing. So once you're done testing, Chromebook closes, you need to have something else to work on that is non-electronic. So make sure you bring a book to read, bring some paperwork to work on, something to do after the test is done while you cannot use your Chromebook. Speaking of electronics, you cannot have a cell phone out during the test, nor can you have it on. You can't have smartwatches and them types of things. So if you have a cell phone with you on any days of the test, it will need to be off and away and out of sight during the testing. And if you wear a smartwatch, best that you just don't wear it that day or leave it in your locker or have it in your pocket turned off. The teachers will take those things from you until the test is over if they see you have those. So just remember those few bits of information. What else do I got here? We will have a granola bar and some mints for you each day of testing, so you can utilize those to have a little extra snack while you're testing. And then we will do our incentive program as well, just like we did during Restart Readiness, where teachers kept track of how motivated you were and how well you were testing as far as utilizing your resources and giving it your best effort and making best use of your time. Just like we did for Restart Readiness, you're doing the same thing here for the AIR test. You will have that same type of document. So please give it your best effort. Really use that time wisely. Use the resources that are available to you. And then anyone who does that will get that ice cream treat after state testing. I think that's about all I have here. So good luck to everybody. Give it your absolute best shot. We'll be glad to have this done and in the rearview mirror after next week. But until then, I expect to see the absolute best from each and every one of you. And we'll see you here bright and early tomorrow morning for ELA Part 1.